Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need both account credentials and a secure connection before you begin. Once done, update the Facebook app and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. That prevents lockouts. Next, open the app and tap Settings and Privacy, then Account Settings. From there, choose Add Account or Switch Account depending on your app version. Enter the second account's email and password and allow the app to remember you if you want fast switching later. Once you've entered credentials, you'll often see a verification prompt. Enter the 2FA code or confirm via email to prove it's you. Make sure to select whether the device should stay logged into both accounts. This speeds switching, but increases access risk. Then, configure contact sync and notification settings so each account behaves how you expect. It's important to separate privacy and notification choices because merged devices do now test switching between accounts by tapping your profile picture and selecting the other account. You should move between profiles instantly. Once it works, open security and login information to review active sessions and remove any unknown devices for safety. If you encounter problems, clear the app cache, update the app, or reset the password on the problematic account. These steps usually resolve login loops. If verification emails don't arrive, check spam and confirm the email address tied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.